How to fix camera app is not showing on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like camera app is not showing on an iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll got such interface. So from your scroll down and find the options like screen time. So after you find it, you'll have to just tap on the screen time option. Okay, so from the screen time, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like content and privacy restriction. Okay, so from here, type on allowed apps and features. Alright, so from the allowed apps and features section, make sure that you have turned on this camera from here. So after you turn on this camera option, you'll be easily find that missing camera app on your iPhone. So if you are still not finding that option, that might be removed from your home screen. So to get that, you can easily go with the option search. So simply tap on the search, and now from here you can easily type for camera. Okay, so after you type it, you will be easily find the camera from here. And although you can also try restarting your iPhone or updating your iOS version, and after you did that, you will be easily fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.